Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I am back to teach you the standard 4 chapter 6 lecture number 2 of this chapter of the climate of India. So in last videos we have taught about that what we have learned in earlier classes about the climate, about the weather, the factor affecting the climate, in fact the season of India, like 5 seasons we have: the summer, monsoon, winter, spring and autumn. We have taught about I have taught about explain you about the summer and monsoon. So in this video I will explain you about the winter. So I'm just going to read. Please read with me, and I think this chapter will finish today. Then the objective types I will upload on the website of Hartford International School. You can check your homework. Now, winter. The winter seasons, it begins in November and continues till February. So please underline that in which month the winters came. So the winter seasons begins in November. It begins in November and continues till February. December and January, this line also underline. December and January are the coldest months. So winter season, it begins in the month of November and it goes till February. So the 2 months, November, December and January, it is the coldest months. The days are short while the nights are longer. So in winter seasons, the days are what? The days are short while the nights are longer. But I have explained you in summer seasons that in summer season the days are what? The days are longer than the nights. But here is what? It's like we can change because in summer we have the days are what? The days are long. The days are longer and the nights are shorter. So in winter what? The days are short and the nights are long. It is cold throughout India. So in these months, November till February, we have the coldest month in India. The northern mountains and the northern plains get extremely cold, but the coastal plains have pleasant weather. So in winter season, the northern mountains and the northern plains, it get extremely cold. Snow is there because of the winter season. It receives too much extremely cold. But in the coastal areas, which is the coastal deserts, sandy areas are there. They have what? They have a pleasant weather. In the desert, the days are pleasant but nights are cold. So in the winter seasons, in desert areas, the days are what? The days are very pleasant, not that much too hot, not that much too cold. But nights are very cold. In southern India, winters are cool and pleasant. In south part of the India, the winter are what? The winter are cool and pleasant. During this season, western disturbance causes rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. So during this season, in winter seasons, because on the mountains, there is already snow is there, like there is a snow, cold is there. But winter seasons came, then their snowfall is also caused on mountains. Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall during these seasons. So Tamil Nadu is what? Tamil Nadu get very heavy rainfall during winter seasons. During winter seasons in month of November and January. So Tamil Nadu is what? It gets very heavy rainfall during this season. Next season is spring. Spring is the seasons that comes after winter. Now after the winter, the spring seasons came just before the onset of summer. Just before what? Just before the summer. After the winter, before the summer. It is neither too cold nor too hot. So this season, spring season, it's not too much cold and not too much hot. It is a cool and pleasant season. Spring season, it is what? It's very cool and pleasant. Many trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers in spring season. In spring season, what? The many new plants, the trees and plants, it can just bear the new leaves and the flowers in these seasons. So that's why this season is very not that much too hot, not that much too cold. Next and last season is about the autumn. So please just see carefully. After that your chapter will finish. Then the objective type I will upload, and whatever I taught you today in online classes, once the online class will over, you can go through the chapter and please read the book carefully. And the next chapter, the chapter 7 also you can read. So about the autumn. Autumn is the seasons that comes after the monsoon. Autumn is what? It comes after the monsoon and before the winter. It comes, please underline this, that autumn season, it comes, autumn is the seasons that comes after monsoon, just before the onset of winter, from autumn till winter in second line. Again I am repeating, so please see that autumn is the season that comes after the monsoon, just before the onset of winter. So it is the season, autumn is also a season of India. It comes what? It comes after the monsoon and before the winter. It comes after the monsoon and before the winter. It is cool and pleasant, and many trees shed their leaves during these times. So in autumn times, the weather is what? The weather is very cool and pleasant, and many trees, they just shed their leaves during these times, means their leaves will just become dry and it just falls down. And then again the spring season will come, again the new leaves, it bears from the new leaves. So in this season what? All the dry leaves, it just goes down, it just leave that shed tree sets. Thus we see that season changes through the year. After that all finish, your chapter is finished. What we have seen? We have seen that these seasons, it can change throughout the year. Means season is what? It's always changing throughout the year. This change follows the same pattern every year. So these changes what? This change follows, it is during all the, it change the same pattern, it just follow the same patterns in every years. It means not like first summer then after winters come. No, it's just these all seasons, it can follow the same pattern of every year. We always have summer followed by monsoon. So please underline from there that we always have summer. First summer followed by monsoon, and then autumn followed by winter and spring. So first we have the summer season, then after monsoon after autumn after winter after spring. So we have always what? We have always summer, which is followed by monsoon. Summer, it is always followed by monsoon, and then autumn followed by winter, and then after winter before autumn comes, and then after spring came. So here this chapter has finished. I hope that you have understood the chapter. So the new words is there, you can see page number 42. You have a monsoon new words, thunderstorm, humidity, drought and cyclone. So you have 5 new words that you have to write down it from your books. The objective types exercise 1, 2, 3, 4 exercises I will upload on the website of 8.Wed International School. You can check your homework and you can complete it in your fair copy. I'm just again repeating that you have lots of time, so please use the time, don't waste the time. Till that, again I will back to teach you the next chapter. You just read your chapter also. Thank you and have a nice day.